These questions will help you with calculating percent change. Anytime we say increase or decrease, that means we're changing in some way. So when you read through this question and then the last statement it says estimate the percent decrease, that's really just percent change. But in this case, decrease obviously means the price is lowering. So the problem tells us that Microsoft is lowering the price of Xbox One for a limited time. It's been reduced from $399.99 to $349.99. A keyword here that helps us is estimate, because that means we don't have to use the exact numbers there. We can tweak them a little bit. So instead of saying $399.99, let's just say even $400. And we're going to drop the price not to $349.99, but to $350. I'm sure, as most of you watching can do in your head, if we go from $400 to $350, that is a $50 price drop. Now to do percent change, which we say over and over in class, is percent change, as I'm writing right here, is always equal to change over original. Now in this case, the amount of change is that $50. The original price means what was it before there was a price change? Well, in this case, the original price was $400. So to find our percent change, we need to do the $50 price drop all over the $400 original price. If you divide that out on your calculators, or if your number sense is pretty quick, you're actually going to get that 50 out of 400 is 1/8. And on the calculators, or by hand, if you divide that out, 1/8 will give you a final answer of 12.5%. In our next question, we have another sale. This was a Black Friday sale that we've seen in the past. And this one says the sale at Walmart will lower a 48-inch TV from a price of $499.99 down to $299.99. Think about what we did in the last question, where we did estimate a little bit. The $499.99 and the $299.99 are going to turn into some much easier to use numbers. These are going to be $500 and $300 respectively. Again, the mental math here to do the price change is very easy. 500 down to 300 will be a change of $200. And as we said last time, I'll flash back to that last slide, percent change is always going to be change over original. Anytime we're doing a discount, any type of increase or decrease, that's what we'll go to. So here, the amount of change is $200, and the original price before it was lowered is $500. Now 200 over 500 works out great, because as we cross-cancel those zeros and divide those away, we're just left with 2/5. If you divide that out, or you're good with your mental math, if 1/5 is 20%, then 2/5 must be 40%. So that's quite a good sale there on Black Friday. The last question we go to is a good old-fashioned multi-step. And this says you go to blank to purchase a new blank. So whatever you'd like to fill in there, to make it relatable for yourself. But whatever you're buying here, it is regularly priced at $80. I want to write that down so I don't forget it. It's on sale for 15% off, and the sales tax is 8%. What will the final price be of the item that you came up with? Well, it is multi-step. You can't do this all at once. So the first thing we're going to do, if it's 15% off, I'd like to use the 1% method that you've seen in some other guided notes. 1% of 80 is actually going to be 80 cents if you move that decimal over 2 spots. So to do 15%, it's really just going to be that 15 times 80 cents. So 15% of this original $80 would be $12. Now again, this is a sale. You guys should know how sales work in real life. They don't make the price worse. They actually make it cheaper for you, which is better. So we're going to subtract that $12 away. That $12 is our discount. So $80, the original price, take away 12, is going to give us a sale price of $68. Well, when you go shopping, you don't just get to leave paying that $68. There's going to be some tax added on. So what we're going to do is, for the second part, we're going to start with that $68. We're going to find 1% of that. Well, 1%, if we move that decimal 2 spots, would be 68 cents. Kind of a funky value, but that's what the calculators will help us with. If the tax is 8%, what we want to do for the next step is take that 68 cents, which represents 1%, and multiply it by 8. If you do that, you will find that the tax that'll be added on is $5.44. And as you do know from all your shopping and going to the store, that tax is going to add on. We don't love tax. It makes things more expensive. So for our final answer, we'll take that $68, which is the sale price. We'll add the $5.44 tax, which will give us a grand total of $73.44. So hopefully those examples helped you with some basic percent change and just a nice review of a multi-step, real-life finance question.